Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Mars Gaming headphones and I'm going to show you how to easily pair them with your MacBook. So at first we have to make sure that these headphones are completely forgotten or disconnected from the previous device, and now we have to just click on the Bluetooth icon at the top and click Bluetooth settings. Here, as you can see, the Bluetooth is turned on. And now we have to turn our headphones on using this button for 3 seconds. Now our headphones will automatically go into pairing mode. And as you can see, in every device is MHWECO. We have to click connect. And now we are paired. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.